Hey friends, today we are going to learn how to make a pop-up card. Take a A4 sheet, fold it into half as shown in the video. Now take another origami red color sheet and fold it into half. Now let's make a pop-up card in this. Draw a square of both the sides of the sheet as shown in the video. Cut accordingly. Fold the center of the pop-up card so that it's pop up. Now it's time to paste it. So open the white color folded sheet and paste accordingly as shown in the video. Once done, it's time to decorate this beautiful pop-up card. How to do it? Paste your cute teddy picture or any kind of picture which you like and fill it with lots of hearts and your love with it too. So write accordingly according to this card form. So if it's a birthday, fill it with happy birthday. I'm just showing gratitude, so I'm just filling with lots of hugs and kisses. How about you? Make it on your own way. Paste the picture on the popping place. Look how beautiful it is. What are you waiting for? Go and take A4 sheet and red color sheet. Make a cute pop-up card. Thank you.